There's a lot of people designing artificial intelligence system for businesses. One of the things I look at when I'm approaching a business is I want to learn about what they do, because really the best way to put it together has to do with everything that business is about, because you don't want somebody talking to their AI via AI voice or an AI chatbot where it's not aligned with that particular business. So instead of setting it and forgetting it, it's something that's constantly looked at, constantly modified, constantly updated, and that includes the selection of voice. The voice has to reflect the business. So I have over 50 voices that I choose from when I'm talking to a business, and I have them involved in that process. In addition, there has to be a committed phone number also chosen. That's something else that's going to be very business dependent. So we're going to have to find out, where are they located? Do they want to go the toll-free route? Do they want to go the local route? Do they want to use both? How is it going to work? In addition to that, part of the process is there's going to be a calendar appointment. Typically, depending on the business, there's going to be a particular appointment platform set. I integrate a calendar in the system, so if they have paid for systems, a lot of times they abandon those, because Calendly and these others, they'll actually not use those any longer, because I also have a calendar option that's incredibly important. The calendar itself also needs to be prepared in accordance with the business. You don't want them to be able to get access to schedule appointments at 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning if in fact the business isn't operational at that time. So there has to be particular parameters put in. And the calendar itself, my advice to the business is, get one calendar. Have us design one calendar and live by that calendar. Give it to your staff, the people that are scheduling other appointments, maybe during business hours. If you don't have the AI voice system activated during that time, maybe you have actual receptionists and secretaries, and that works out perfect. A lot of times the AI voice systems we implement are after hours, on weekends, during holidays, and those types of things, so the business doesn't miss any calls. And in fact, they also know, and we talk about the statistics out there, if you're not calling somebody back in 5 minutes, or at least answering the phone and having an engaging conversation, that's the game changer. That's why when you're not available, staff isn't available, it's weekends, holidays. That's why the AI voice system really does show off, because it's able to speak with that individual. It's not lying, it's not saying they're not artificial intelligence, but it's not that robotic press 1 to leave a message, press 2. They're actually having an engaging conversation, with the ultimate goal as being what you want. Do you want it to schedule an appointment on a calendar? Do you want it to send information? Do you want it to patch them through to you? That's also another option it has. Anyway, I'm Connor with Honor. We will see you in the next one. That's just how I design it. Be well.